Welcome to qnawire.
A 90-degree arc is a quarter of a circle, quarter of the circumference. So if the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, or pi times the diameter, which would then be 20 pi. If you just take a quarter of that, then you've got a 90 degree, because 90 out of 360 is a quarter, so that'd be 5 pi. The length of the side of a square, if the radius of the square is 10, okay, well, then the whole diagonal would be 20, and you've got a 45, 45, 90 triangle whose hypotenuse is 20. And so maybe you know the pattern with 45, 45, 90 triangles. Even if you don't, you can call it x right now, and you can still use a Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus x squared equals 20 squared. And so you have 2x squared equals 400. So x squared equals 200, and x equals the square root of 200, which is 10 times the square root of 2, because 200 is 100 times 2. The square root of 100 is 10. There's other ways to get there too. If the perimeter of a square is 40, then each side is 10, and its apothem would be 5. If we're in an equilateral triangle, we want to find the length of the radius. If the length of a side is 12. Well, if the length of the side is 12, then we can break this apart into different triangles. And this would be the radius as well. This would then be 6, and it would be a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So let me blow that up. 30, 60, 90. This would be the radius. This would be 6. Then the long leg is 6. So normally you go from short, so we would have to divide by the square root of 3. Rationalized is 6 square root 3 over 3, or 2 square root 3, but then you have to double that to go to the hypotenuse. It'd be 4 square root 3. There are other ways to get there, that's just one.